Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to chamfer. So you can create new design and I will draw a rectangle. Use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to chamfer these objects like at this edge, you can use the Pool Tools, select the edge. And then you can see we have this option chamfer. You can click. Now you can click, hold, and then you can move the mouse to chamfer the selected edge like this. You can select again, like I will select at this edge. Now you can choose the chamfer option. You can click, hold, and then you can chamfer the objects, or you can set by specific point. You can type 2 and you can press enter. So it will be chamfer with 2 for the value. I will create again, like you can select at this edge, and then you can click, hold, now you can chamfer. I will set into 5, and you can press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to chamfer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.